Hello there! Have you ever heard someone describe a sunset as breathtaking or a cake as deliciously moist? Those words add extra flavor to our sentences. They're called descriptive adjectives, and today, we're going to master them. What are descriptive adjectives? Descriptive adjectives help us describe a noun's qualities, things like its shape, size, color, emotions, and texture. For example, the fluffy puppy played in the yard. She wore a gorgeous red dress. See how the words fluffy and gorgeous add details to these sentences? Let's look at different types of descriptive adjectives. Sensory adjectives describe how something looks, feels, smells, tastes, or sounds. Example: the sparkling water looked inviting. Emotional adjectives express feelings or emotions. Example: he gave her a heartwarming smile. Physical adjectives describe shape, size, and appearance. Example: a towering tree stood in the park. Using these adjectives makes your writing and speech more expressive. Now, let's try a quick challenge. Choose the best adjective for this sentence. The kitten curled up in a blank blanket. A rough, B soft, C tall. Comment below with your answer. And that's how descriptive adjectives make our language more engaging. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about descriptive adjectives. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!